Gibbons, often referred to as the lesser apes, are a fascinating group of primates that inhabit the dense tropical and subtropical forests of Southeast Asia. Despite being less well known than their great ape cousins, such as gorillas, chimpanzees, and orangutans, gibbons play a critical role in the ecosystems they inhabit. These arboreal creatures are masters of the canopy, renowned for their incredible agility and acrobatic prowess. Their complex social structures, vocal communication, and unique adaptations make them one of the most intriguing species in the animal kingdom. This essay will delve deep into the world of gibbons, exploring their physical characteristics, behavior, social structure, ecological significance, and the conservation challenges they face. Through this exploration, we will gain a comprehensive understanding of these remarkable primates and the urgent need to protect their habitats. Chapter 1: Taxonomy and Species Diversity. Gibbons belong to the family Hylobatidae, which is divided into 4 genera: Hylobates, Huloc, Symphalangus, and Namascus. Each genus contains several species, resulting in a total of approximately 20 recognized gibbon species. These species are spread across the forests of Southeast Asia, from northeastern India and southern China to the Malay Peninsula and the islands of Sumatra, Borneo, and Java. 1.1 The genus Hylobates. The genus Hylobates is the most diverse, comprising 9 species, including the agile gibbon Hylobates agilis, the white-handed gibbon Hylobates lar, and the Bornean white-bearded gibbon Hylobates albabarbis. Species in this genus are characterized by their smaller size and a variety of coat colors, ranging from black to pale buff. 1.2 The genus Huloc. The genus Huloc includes 2 species: the western Huloc gibbon Huloc, and the eastern Huloc gibbon Huloc leuconides. These gibbons are slightly larger than those in the genus Hylobates and are primarily found in northeastern India, Bangladesh, Myanmar, and southern China. The Huloc gibbons are notable for their sexual dimorphism, with males and females exhibiting different coat colors. 1.3 The genus Symphalangus. The genus Symphalangus contains only 1 species, the Siamang Symphalangus syndactylus. The Siamang is the largest of all gibbons, with males and females weighing up to 14 kg 31 lbs. Siamangs are distinguished by their large throat sac, which they use to produce resonant vocalizations that can be heard over long distances. 1.4 The genus Namascus. The genus Namascus is composed of 6 species, including the northern white-cheeked gibbon Namascus leucogenes, the southern white-cheeked gibbon Namascus siki, and the critically endangered Hainan gibbon Namascus hainanus. The species in this genus are known for their complex songs and pronounced sexual dimorphism, with males typically being darker in color than females. 1.5 Gibbon hybridization and genetic diversity. Hybridization between different gibbon species has been observed in areas where their ranges overlap. This hybridization can lead to the creation of unique populations with genetic characteristics from both parent species. The study of gibbon genetics has provided valuable insights into their evolutionary history, revealing complex patterns of divergence and adaptation over millions of years. Chapter 2: Physical Characteristics and Adaptations. Gibbons are well adapted to their arboreal lifestyle, with a range of physical characteristics that enable them to navigate the forest canopy with remarkable efficiency. These adaptations not only facilitate their movement, but also play a crucial role in their survival in the challenging environments they inhabit. 2.1 Body structure and size. Gibbons are small to medium-sized apes, with adults typically weighing between 5 to 13 kg 11 to 29 lbs. Their bodies are slender and lightweight, which helps them move swiftly through the trees. The most distinctive feature of gibbons is their long arms, which can be twice the length of their legs. This adaptation is essential for their mode of locomotion, known as brachiation. 2.2 Brachiation, the art of swinging. Brachiation is the primary mode of movement for gibbons, allowing them to swing hand over hand from branch to branch with astonishing speed and agility. Their elongated arms, along with hook-like hands and flexible shoulder joints, make this possible. Brachiation not only enables gibbons to travel quickly through the forest, but also helps them avoid ground-based predators. Gibbons can cover distances of up to 15 meters 50 feet in a single swing and reach speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. 2.3 Hands and feet. Gibbons have long, curved fingers that allow them to grasp branches securely while swinging. Their thumbs are reduced in size compared to other primates, which prevents them from interfering with their grip during brachiation. Gibbon feet are also adapted for grasping, with opposable big toes that help them cling to branches while feeding or resting. 2.4 Vocalization and communication. Gibbons are among the most vocal of all primates, using a range of calls to communicate with one another. These vocalizations play a crucial role in maintaining social bonds, defending territories, and attracting mates. Gibbons have a specialized throat sac, particularly well developed in species like the siamang, which amplifies their calls, allowing them to carry over long distances. Each gibbon species has a unique song pattern, and in many species, mated pairs perform duets to reinforce their bond. 2.5 Coloration and sexual dimorphism. Gibbons exhibit a wide range of coat colors, from black and dark brown to pale buff and white. Some species, such as those in the genus Namascus, display pronounced sexual dimorphism in coloration. For example, in the northern white-cheeked gibbon, males are typically black with white facial markings, while females are a golden or buff color. This dimorphism is thought to play a role in mate selection and social signaling. 2.6 Vision and senses. Gibbons have large, forward-facing eyes that provide them with excellent binocular vision, which is essential for judging distances while brachiating. Their keen eyesight allows them to navigate the complex three-dimensional environment of the forest canopy with precision. In addition to their acute vision, gibbons have a well-developed sense of hearing, which helps them detect the calls of other gibbons and potential threats in their environment. Chapter 3: Behavior and social structure. Gibbons are highly social animals with complex behaviors and social structures. Their interactions within family groups, vocal communication, and territoriality are central to their survival and reproductive success. 3.1 Monogamy and pair bonding. One of the most notable aspects of gibbon behavior is their monogamous mating system. Unlike many other primates, gibbons typically form long-term pair bonds that can last for many years, often for life. This monogamy is relatively rare among primates and is thought to be an adaptation to their environment, where the resources required to raise offspring are spread out over large areas. 3.2 Family groups. Gibbon family groups usually consist of a mated pair and their dependent offspring. The family unit is the core social structure for gibbons, with both parents playing an active role in raising their young. The close bond between the pair is maintained through mutual grooming, vocal duets, and cooperative care of the offspring. Juveniles remain with their parents until they reach maturity, at which point they typically leave the family group to establish their own territory and find a mate. 3.3 Territoriality. Gibbons are highly territorial and use their loud, far-carrying calls to defend their territory from intruders. Each family group occupies a specific area of the forest, which they defend vigorously against neighboring gibbons. Territorial disputes are often resolved through vocal displays rather than physical confrontations, with the strength and intensity of a gibbon's call serving as a signal to potential rivals. 3.4 Communication and vocalization. Vocal communication is a vital part of gibbon social behavior. Their calls serve multiple functions, including territory defense, mate attraction, and the maintenance of social bonds. Gibbon songs are complex and often species-specific, with variations in pitch, rhythm, and duration. In many species, mated pairs perform coordinated duets, which not only reinforce their bond, but also